Hi there, this is Fixed It.
The way I propose to fix this problem is I'm going to encase the sensor in heat shrink tubing and then shrink it appropriately, like this.
This is the 1.7 centimeter flat heat shrink that I'm going to use. You can get this from eBay. Line it up with the sensor, allow a bit extra at either end. So place the sensor inside the heat shrink, and now what I need to do is to just melt the heat shrink so the sensor then becomes engulfed. I'm going to heat the connector end first, and as you can see, as it shrinks it closes, so you end up with a nice tight closure on that end. Now heat the other end, and again make sure you get closure on that, and it squeezes itself down and seals, so there's no glue involved, but what it's doing is it's closing all the plastic and preventing any further damage. And when it's completely closed you can crimp the end like I've done, just heat it up and squeeze it together.
Now the sensor's fully enclosed, turn it over so the green sensor's pointing upwards. Now take a sharp knife, gently cut around the outside of the green sensor and lift the piece off. That should leave the green sensor exposed. Now apply heat to that cut you've just made and it will all neaten itself up, and you now have a fully fixed sensor, and it shouldn't break anymore, it shouldn't fall apart, and it'll plug straight back into your headset. So if you get any broken sensors lying around, this is the fix. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe if you find it helpful, and even consider supporting Fixed It. Thanks for watching. Bye.